Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, which is the same day as my last video with the windshield wiper plug, today we're going to be installing a shift boot. I got this purple shift boot to match this purple Mishimoto the shift knob, and we're going to install it. First I gotta take this off. That's literally step one, is just take off the Mishimoto. Oh my god! I didn't expect it to come off that easy. It kind of just... That was intense. That was intense. This knob is so cool, man. I love it. I love this knob. Anyway, take that off. And then next you're going to want to take this off. No, I'm just kidding. That's not next. Next you're going to want to take this off. Which is so hard to get off, but you just got to kind of rip it off and just trust your gut. And you're going to break some clips doing this. And so just keep that in mind. So, but yeah, just gotta get that off. I highly recommend starting from over here on these sides, because it's the only one you can get your fingers around. You can't get your fingers over here on this side. You might even need to use a screwdriver. Alright guys, so I'm terribly sorry, but literally I realized that I put my GoPro on my head earlier when I was filming, and it was way too high. You couldn't see what I was doing, and so I already ended up taking this whole thing off. But basically I'll give you a quick little rundown on how to do it really quick. Basically, when it's like this, get a little flathead screwdriver and go under these sides first. Do not go under on this side first. You can break these clips. Go under this side first and pry it up, and then just get your fingers under there and then just pull up and out, and it'll come out like this. Then you pull it up. If you need to go inside, or if you're taking this thing inside, then you're going to want to flip it over and take this clip out. I'm just doing it right in my car, so I don't really care. I mean, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Then in order to get this actual boot out, there's a bunch of little tiny screws. They look like this. I'm gonna go right into like holes like that, and so you're gonna need a tiny little Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew all that. Then your thing will come out. Next you're going to want to, well, I took this part off, but you don't need, actually yeah, you do need to. Yeah, so make sure you take this part off. It's like right here. It's really easy. You just pull this up with your fingers. I just took off with my fingers. And next, now, for the part that you guys can actually watch, turn it inside out, bring it down to the bottom. And you're gonna want to take this little clip, this little like black piece off, but they zip tie it shut. So what you want to do is get a pair of scissors or a knife or something that you trust yourself cutting it with. See, these scissors are massive, so I don't think I'm gonna really get in at it with these scissors. Yeah, so that's why I also grabbed this knife, because I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get in it with the scissors. So you're gonna go with a knife. Watch your hand, obviously. You know what? I'm gonna need to use the scissors. That knife is not going to work, so just get in there. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. I don't want to cut that. That's just... Okay. Take off the zip tie. You're going to need another zip tie to actually get this onto the new one. And then pretty much I think you just pull it right off, right? Yeah, just pull it off and it comes right off. But you're going to need another zip tie to get it onto the new one. Except I don't think I'm going to, because mine is different. It has this already on there. And so if I'm correct, this will just go. No, stop it. This will just go on like... God, this was going to be such a pain in the ass to do though. I should buy a different shift knob, honestly, because this thing is trash. Or shift boot. I do not recommend buying one of these. It's so like, it won't bend. It's a weird fabric. This is the worst one. Now I'm thinking if I want to do that. Next, you're going to want to take this piece off the right here to get this clip off. Once again, you want a flathead screwdriver. Just get in there. Pry it off. There we go. Okay. Now that's off. This will just come right off. I thought so, but I could be wrong, I think. What the hell are these? Dear God. God. Oh, God, man. Okay, now that's all. You can start putting back on the new one that you just got. But if I'm being honest, I might buy a different one. Because this, like, it doesn't look that bad. But it's just the fact that, like, first of all, you cut it a lot easier down to all the way up there. It's just the fact that the fabric is so bad. But I have it now and I can't get rid of it, so I'm going to cut it.
line it up where it should. And then this one. Yeah, this isn't want to cut either, which I knew was going to happen. This fabric, they should tell you in the picture, they really should. Like, yeah, the fabric sucks. It's not fabric that you would actually use on a car. Because it's like nice and cloth and normal, how every other shift boot is. And this is like it doesn't want to bend. Well, what I'm going to do is actually order a new shift boot right now on Amazon, one that's actually good and worth your money. Not that piece of junk. And I have Amazon Prime, so hopefully it'll come in tomorrow, and then we can resume this video tomorrow. But definitely don't just buy, like, this. In the picture, though, if I'm being honest, I knew it wasn't, I saw the picture and it didn't look like this fabric. This fabric looked way better. It was like normal cloth fabric. But it's obviously not. It's like, even if this was on a car, like, shipping can be weird, everything on the car can be weird.
You can't step on them, okay?
Would it look good, though? I do want to see if it would look good. It's a cool looking thing. I mean, if it worked, it would be nice. I'm gonna try and make it work, because now looking at it, it looks cool. It looks cool with the purple Mishimoto knob there, so I'm gonna try and get this to work, but it's definitely a pain in the arse. Scissors are extremely dull. Wow, this is just not going good.
Alrighty guys, so my GoPro battery is almost dying, and so I didn't really get to film any of that stuff. Basically, you have to like cut out holes to fit all these little tabs in, and that was a pain. You have to cut it itself so that you can fit it in there, and it's not too big. That was a pain. I still think it's going to be a little too big. It was a pain, and on top of that, at first I put it in backwards, so I had to take it all back out and cut all new holes and then put it back in. This has been like a 3-hour thing already. So it's definitely time consuming, but it's finally in there. You just gotta clip it all back together, put the screws back on. That's what I'm doing right now. I only have 2 more.
I put it back in and just tie on my shift knob. And yeah, I only have 15% battery left, so I kind of gotta hurry up because I want to show you guys it. I've been trying to, and it's just, I have very low battery, so. Oh my god, it's gonna be a pain. This is some of these screws too, just so you know, they're going to cross thread. Trying to get them in there. For some reason, this boot, it's just engineered terribly. Anyway, nice.
Okay. So that's it. It is all set to go. Before I do that though, make sure that white strip is straight and not all tangled. Move this out of the way. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to move that out of the way as well. Okay. Okay. That is way too big. Gotta be kidding me, man. Okay, I mean, is it easy? Is it still, can I still shift? So, I mean, it ain't that bad. It's definitely not a lot harder now than it was before. Honestly, I could take this all off and cut it out again, but I doubt I'm gonna do that. This is just a pain in the ass. I could try doing it with a completely different shift boot setup, since this material alone is just gonna be a pain in the ass just because of how it's made. I don't know why they ever made a material like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like, and that's how you do it, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, even though I couldn't really vlog much of it due to the fact that my batteries are so low. Right now it's sitting at 10%. And so, thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. That's my second or third mod to the 350Z shift boot install. I hope you guys enjoyed. До свидания. Have a nice day. We're doing coilovers soon, downpipes soon. We have some big stuff coming to this car pretty damn soon. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, please, and comment down below what other kind of videos you'd like to see. До свидания. Have a nice day.